Peru News Today. All you need to know about Peru.
Government declares emergency districts of Tumbes for health risk in the face of increased immigration. The government declares an emergency for a term of 60 days the districts of Aguas Verdes in Zaramilla, province of Zaramilla, and in that of Tumbes, province of Tumbes, all of the department of Tumbes, border with Ecuador and point of entry to the country of hundreds of Venezuelan citizens in recent months. The measure, made official in a resolution published this Tuesday in El Peruano, is due to the imminent danger of affecting health and sanitation, given the increase in international migration from the north. The Supreme Decree N Degrees 087 to 2018 PCM indicates that it was the regional government of Tumbes that requested this Monday the declaration of emergency, and that the National Institute of Civil Defense opined in favor of the order to proceed. It also provides for the coordination of these actions with civil defense and the ministries of health, women, and vulnerable populations, development and social inclusion, housing, construction and sanitation, foreign affairs, defense and the interior and other competent entities. The document does not specify the actions to be taken, but states that they must have a direct link of causality between the interventions and the event, and may be modified according to the needs and security elements that are presented during their execution, supported in competent technical studies. The decree is signed by President Martin Vizcarra, the President of the Council of Ministers and the heads of Defense, Development and Social Inclusion, Interior, Women, Economy, Foreign Affairs, Health, and Housing. Measure before immigration. In recent months, Tumbes has been the access point for the thousands of Venezuelan immigrants who have arrived in Peru to escape the humanitarian crisis in the country governed by Nicolas Maduro. According to the most recent figures of the National Migration Superintendence, there are 408,000 Venezuelans in national territory, of which 80% entered with a passport and 20% with a cedula. On Friday, August 17, shortly after registering the record number of 5,000 Venezuelan immigrants in a single day, the government announced that it was going to begin requiring passports to enter the country beginning at 0:00 hours on Saturday, 25 of the same month. In that period, the income of Venezuelans increased and reached a peak of 5,196 in one day, but was reduced when the requirement came to a halt at 1,630 in the first 24 hours.
Visit at www.perunewstoday.com. Also follow on Facebook and Twitter.